Hi guys, it's Van from Review My Life coming to you with an honest review for web hosting that's really glowing. You can check out GlowHost's website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out the website. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the website link is in the description below. So today we'll be checking out and talking about the glowing web hosting service, GlowHost. GlowHost is providing web hosting service to individuals, government agencies, charities, publicly traded companies, Fortune 500 companies, and private corporations of all shapes and sizes. Information about their shared hosting, elastic sites, semi-dedicated servers, or even to learn more about their advanced server configurations in reseller hosting, virtual dedicated servers, managed dedicated servers, and redundant cloud hosting solutions can be found in their website. They are packed full of features from core technologies to their free optional enhancements with no extra configuration required. The platform will automatically optimize and deliver your needs to you with their optional auto install, auto update, and auto backup systems. So what's so special and glowing about GlowHost? GlowHost has unlimited hosting. It has everything you need, giving you unlimited disk space and bandwidth for just one low price. GlowHost powers your own white label web hosting service, so if you sell design, SEO, or other online services, you should be offering your customers web hosting service to implement your income and supplement your income. Recurring revenues, meaning a reliable income stream for you. They offer their GlowHost Redundant Cloud, a fully managed cloud hosting service, server and storage clusters for maximum uptime with fully managed dedicated servers. With most hosting providers, you'd be lucky to get a reply that day, whereas with GlowHost, hosting I normally hear from them within 30 minutes. And the advice is always really helpful. Problems are always resolved fast and replies quick to the questions. I've only written to the support staff to talk about upgrading my package for a time, as my site was expanded greatly on their servers. I've been very impressed with GlowHost overall. Of course, I was a bit hesitant at first, but decided to give it a go anyway since the price is too good to pass up for multiple domain hosting. Now, I know my money is well spent and GlowHost is definitely a good choice of a web host. Also, you don't even have to worry about security anymore. Believe me when I tell you, the redundancy systems they have in place, wowie, is definitely redundant because of how good it is. To sum everything up, GlowHost is one of the pillars of web solution experts in the market today and has been since 2002. Their support is amazing and their pricing is great. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out GlowHost's website in the description down below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!